guys, so here are the items that you're gonna need to make your first wig. First we have these two curved needles. They have straight ones and they also have curved ones, but I like to use these kinds. I have two of them here. You're gonna need your thread. You can get smaller ones for like 99 cents at the store. You're gonna need your scissors, and you're gonna need Sharpies. Get the gray one or the gold one, because you can't use the black one because you're gonna use a black cap. It's not gonna show through, so you can either use gold or silver. You can get this from Walmart, Target, you know, any store where they sell office supplies, or yeah. And you're gonna need some clips, some hair clips to help you hold the hair. You're gonna need some pens so you can pin the cap to the wig head, whatever you may call it. So this is, and the wig head, whatever they call it, it's kind of beat up right now because I've been using it a lot. If you see this, it's not dirty. It's because of the marker hair dye that I've been using, because I've used this a lot. This is like literally my baby, so don't mind all the mess here. And I got the dome cap from the beauty supply store. I got it for $2.99. They have different kinds, but this is the kind that I like to use. This is the dome cap. I like to use this kind because it's pretty stretchy and it's pretty strong, so it won't tear. So I got this for $2.99, and I ordered the head from Amazon. I got it for like, I think it was $30. Make sure when you gonna order it online, you get the right head measurement, and I can show you guys how to measure your head to make sure you get the correct size. The 22 inches is pretty much like a standard size. I think most people's head is 22. Some people may be 21 if they have a smaller head, and some people may be 23 if they have a bigger head. So guys, this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. This is a deep curl, 12 inches. Pretty soon I'll be having this type of hair on my website. I have not launched my website yet, but once I do, for my hair company, you guys might be able to purchase. I'm gonna use 3 packs today, and I'm also gonna use a lace closure. You just want to make sure that the cap is sitting right above the number 22. You're just gonna use one of those little pins here and put it here so that it doesn't move. I just want it to stay in place. And I'm gonna use one more to the side here. You don't really have, actually no, I don't think I need it. Okay, so now it's time to put the frontal. You see how I'm putting the frontal here? You just want to make sure you line it up. I'm just gonna put the frontal a little bit forward. Okay, I want it to pass the cap. You see whether you still can see the cap? Make sure you pass it a little bit. So here should be fine. Tilt this thing back a little bit, and I'm gonna put my first pin here, just right here, and I put one here. And I kind of like this not frontal, this closure, because as you can see, it's kind of like pre-plucked. Make sure you put the closure in front of the wig cap, okay? Not right on top of it, just pull it a little bit forward. So we have 2 here. Actually, let me move it back a little bit. I think it's too forward. Just one second. Let me just move it back a little. I think here is perfect. And then this one here, just move it back just a little bit. I think that's fine. And you're gonna need one more here. I don't know if you guys can see, just one more. Pull this back here, put it right here. Use one pen, put this here. And I'm also gonna put one here. I just wanna make sure this is laying flat. Just want it to lay flat. and one right here. Okay, so you're just gonna trace around because we don't want to close sew too close to the closure. We're gonna trace around. You see how this Sharpie is very handy. Okay, just like so, around like this. So now the reason I'm doing this is so that you could know where you're sewing. Because if not, if you've never made a wig, like me, I don't have to do this because I already know how to make a wig, but I'm showing you guys. This is for beginners. It's easier for you. So when you're sewing, you know exactly where to sew. Okay? This is where you make the first line. The first line is going to go down here. Okay? This is the first line. This is where you're going to sew the first track. Everywhere that you see that I make, that I use the Sharpie, this is the first track, you'll sew it on here. And I already made the second line for the second track. I have my first track here, guys. We are going to double the first 2 pack of hair. Look how beautiful this hair is. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous and soft. We are going to double it. Double the track. Double the track. Hey. See here? Double. And we're going to start sewing right here in this line. What you want to do when you are sewing, do not sew the elastic band. You're only gonna sew in the fabric. Make sure you are sewing in the fabric. Do not go through the elastic band here, okay? Because if you go through the elastic band, you sew on it, your wig is gonna be tight. It's not gonna be able to expand. Make sure when you're sewing, you pick up only the fabric. Make sure you're touching the fabric, not. I can't stress this enough. Not the elastic band here, because you want this to be able to stretch. That's why they put it here. Do not sew on it. Use the fabric. Okay? So you're going to pick up the fabric, like I said here, like this. You don't have to be professional at sewing, because me, I'm not. I just sew. And my wig stays on for like a year. So you don't have to do this whole fancy technique of sewing. All you basically going to do, this is what I do that works for me. You pick up the fabric here, and you put it through here. Right here, if I can get it through, and you have it sitting right here. I'm actually gonna do the rest of the wig on the sewing machine because I don't do my wigs by hand anymore. I use a sewing machine, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I sew it. But once I get here, I'm gonna finish the rest on my sewing machine. Then I'm gonna show you guys how I do this part here by hand. But I'm just gonna show you how I sew all the way down. And then you do this. Just gonna sew it all around. The tracks. You're gonna cut here. I do not do the fold over method. I like to cut so that my wig can lay flat. And then we're gonna do the same thing we did again. We're gonna take our thread and we're gonna sew here. You see this line here? This is a second track. We're always gonna be doubling. We're gonna use the second track and we're gonna sew all the way across until we get here.
Chaque jour, est-ce que c'est sacré les aimer ou pas de temps pour occuper moi? Fais-tu manger pour moi ou pas de temps pour laver la de moi? Gratter comme qui n'en tête moi ou plus qu'on peut sous m'embaucher. Si c'est pour plaisir ou prendre trophée, pas plein de servante chaque jour. Ou bien goûter même madame moi tout. Pas prendre ça le mien, pas prendre ça le mien. L'aime côté au téléphone ou sonner ou bien décrocher. Quand sous téléphone ou tant quoi bâtiment côté. Pas que ça le mien, pas que ça le mien. Pas paix de dépenser ou même moi paix de gaspiller. Pas que ça le mien, pas que ça le mien. Les pas discussion nous ou gain dans ce côté. Si m'te besoin pour cabane seulement. Chérie m'ta pas ton poupée. Pas comprendre moi avant pour plaisir sexuellement. Changer l'autre qui quand même goûter. Si c'est un capitaine pour faire manger moi le Chérie, m'bata j'aime souper. Tout à fait, on doit te sincèrement. Chérie, m'bata j'aime douter.
Allez, dans le sounds of DJ Biggs. Mal plaqué qui ont pied léger, qui ont plaidé jouer dans jambe. Les qui ont moi yo dit yo manger déjà. Ça va garder c'est moi qui manger le kounia. Pas moi chalet dans mes nek pour femme moi. Pas moi parole dans mes nek sous femme moi. Les qui ont moi yo dit yo manger déjà. Ça va garder c'est moi qui manger le kounia. Pas moi chalet dans mes nek pour femme moi. C'est moi qui compte qui j'en le fait me sentir bien. M't'arrête mais quand si son tiri à bois pour tout nègre fait qu'on est que yo manger déjà. Yo met pas les sapes yon manque dégâts. Ou même pas ni fâché ni pour m'tabaye vieux regard. Ma vie ak femme moi nan fi qui yo point bas. Pas pour chalet nan mes nègres aller voir nan mes l'état. Ça peut te goûter yo mais c'est dans l'état. En yo tout li remen bay n'a gen temps parler de ça. Qu'on y a c'est avec m'lié m'fier de lui. Tout côté le fait m'a pas affiché la rue j'aime fierté lui. Ma bali respect loi du président qui fait que lui. C'est lui qui fait me sentir bien l'autre femme yo pas j'aime fait que lui.
Hi guys, we are done with the wig. If you like this video guys, please comment, share and subscribe. It will help me out a lot if you guys hit the thumbs up if you like it, so that I know you guys like it, so I can make more videos, and this is a part 1. Please stay tuned for part 2, because for part 2 I'm going to show you guys how to customize the lace closure and how to apply the wig on your head. Please stay tuned, and thank you for watching, and share guys.